What is crypto arbitrage trading and how does it work? In this video, you'll learn how crypto arbitrage trading involves buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling the same assets at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So you'll need two platforms. That is a centralized platform like Binance. Mine, I'm using Binance. You can substitute with Bybit, OKX, and Mexic. And also, you'll need a decentralized platform like ranquilly.com. So go to your browser, search ranquilly.com, and make sure you register your account. That is, you verify your email and KYC. So verified account should look like this. And if you want free classes, let me show you how to join. All right, to join free classes, go to this TikTok that you are in, click the link in the bio. It is the same as this one, but TikTok is not the same. TikTok account is not the same. So don't click on open, just click on these three dashes up here. These three dashes up here. Then you open with in browser. You will get to join the free classes. So let's get to our video where we will be trading crypto arbitrage trading. I'll guide you on how to trade with bots first, then I'll guide you on how to trade manually, buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling them here at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So after you deposit to your Ranquilly using your centralized platform, you will unlock arbitrage opportunities. You will also unlock arbitrage bots. So let's start with bots, but we are not trading with bots. Or we can run one trade, then nothing is wrong with that, I guess. So just come, find the bot that is running on profits. In profits, you check expected profit and the maximum risk. So if you minus expected profit minus maximum risk, it should give you a plus. If it is a negative, that means the bot is running in losses. So a bot like Coin X Alpha is trading at 113 profit percentage and 16 loss percentage. So that means it is running in a profit. So the minimum of this bot is 350. So if you deposit 350 and above, you will unlock this bot and you will be eligible to trade with this. But the main concern of this video is trading crypto arbitrage trading manually. And remember, we've been receiving our assets in an external wallet, but today we will receive in our Ranquilly exchange. So come here, you just come here, click on P2P arbitrage. All right, then since you've bought in a centralized platform, here you come and sell. So you find the best offer here. Like right now it is 1.14, so I can trade 1,000 USDTs. 1,000 USDTs means that I bought in Binance at a rate of 1.0 per USDT, but here I'm selling at a rate of 1.4 per USDT. Remember, you can substitute with BTC, Ethereum, any, depending on the market and the profit margin. So if I sell this 1,000 USDTs, I'll get 1,117 USDTs. They will be sent to my Ranquilly account, then I can withdraw them anytime. Otherwise, we've been receiving in external wallet where we've been receiving in Binance. You can go check the previous videos. The merchant sends the money direct to our Binance account. So let me set internal and I have to enter my Ranquilly deposit address. So this one, you get it when you are depositing. Let me go and copy it, then I paste, then we see how it will go. So this is my Ranquilly deposit address. I'll just review and I'll show you how you review this. You can see the merchant name, the exchange, the amount we want to sell, and also there is something called P2P fee of 22.80. So we'll get 1,117 in less than 30 minutes. So that means our profit is 117. So there is something also I wanted to talk about. It is escrow protected. So that means there is no way you can lose your money if an exchange has escrow protection. So let me confirm the trade. Then the trade is running. will be waiting for at least 30 minutes if most. So let me wait. I can pause the video and we wait, or you can go check it. It is just you will be paid and you release. So you don't wait for the money to come, but you'll get a notification that your trade has been paid on, and you come and release. So it is escrow. If you see something like a release here, you just release, because your money can't get lost. You have to release for your funds to be sent to your Tranquility account. So that's how it works. No loss, no nothing, no risk. So this is crypto arbitrage trading. Make sure you start now, and you start with at least good capital. 200 USDTs, 1000 USDTs, that's the best you can do. If you have any question, make sure you comment and I will answer any time.